Hello children, welcome to everybody. Here is Jan sir. Today I am going to teach you Mathematics of Standard 8 and the chapter name is Square and Square Roots. We'll start from exercise 3C onwards. And today's learning scopes are properties of square numbers, adding first n natural numbers, Pythagorean triplet, and then exercise 3C. Here you observe this table, square of natural numbers and its squares. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, then 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361 and 20 square 400 and so on. Children, you write down the squares in a piece of paper, this table, then only you can understand. So here we can observe that unit digits of square numbers are all these square numbers. These are unit digit 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Then here 1 unit place digits 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. So none of these ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. All these square numbers ends with 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 5, 6 or 9. Like this way it is ending. So can we say that if a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it must be a square number? Your answer will be no, because the numbers 30, 21, 34, 45, 76 or 99 are not square numbers because it ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So these are not a square numbers. So here we can conclude that a square number always ends with not a number, always the square number, not a particular number. A square number always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at unit place, but converse is not true. Converse means the number ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it is false. It is wrong. So square number always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Remember the children. Again comes that next property, property number 2. Study the given table and observe the unit place in number and its square. We'll see that if a number, look at here that I am showing that table once again. If a number has 1 or 9 in its units place, then its square ends in 1. I am telling that if a number, this is 1 or 9, its units place, here units place also 9, 1 or 9, here units place also it is 1. If a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends always 1. Here look at here 1, here also 1, here also that 9 is 1, here also units place 1, that means it ends with 1. Another one I can say you that here if a number has 4 or 6 in units place, this is 4 or 6, 4, 6, here units place 4 or 6, this is 4 or 6. If a number the unit place is 4 or 6, then its square ends with 6. Its square ends with 6 and square ends with 6. If a number has 2 or 8 in units place, 2 or 8 in units place, then its square ends with 4. This square ends with 4. 12 square, that is 144. That is 18 square, 324. Another one I can say you that if a number has 3 or 7 in units place, 3 or 7, 3, 13 square and 17 square. If a number has unit place that is 3 and 7, then its square ends with 9. Square ends with 9 always. If a number has 5 in units place, 5 is units place, then its square ends with 5 always. If a number has 0 in units place, then its square ends with 0. Here 100, that is 10 square 100, then 20 square also it is 400, ends with 0. Here also ends with 0. Now come children, here study the given table and observe the unit place number and its squares. We will see that if a number has 1 or 9 in units place, then its square ends with 1. If a number has 4 and 6 in units place, then its square ends with 6. If a number has 2 or 8 in units place, then its square ends in 4. If a number has 3 or 7 in units place, then its square ends in 9. If a number has 5 in units place, then its square ends in 5. If a number has 0 in units place, then its square ends in 0. Now come to that property number 3. A number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at unit place is never a square number. Example here 67302. 2, it ends with 2. So it is not a perfect square number because it ends with 2 at units place. Another example 2353. It is not a perfect square number because it ends with 3 at its units place. Another example it is taken that 2037. It is not a perfect square number because it ends with 7 at its units place. Another example can be taken that 9278. Its units place is 8, so it is not a perfect square number. Next come to the property of 4. Observe the following: 10 square 100, 20 square also 400. So what we observe here? Here 2 zeros are here. Here 2 zeros are here. 2 zeros at the end. 100 square at the end. How many zeros are there? There is 4 zeros. 200 square here also 4 zeros are here at the end. Now come here that 1000 square equal to, that is, it ends with the 6 zeros. Then 2000 square it ends also with 6 zeros. Look at here. Always here that ends with 2 0, ends with 4 zeros, ends with 6 0, and then it will be ends with 8 zeros, 8 zeros, 10 zeros, 12 zeros. Like this way it will be ending. So we can say that in this property number 4, square numbers can only have even number of zeros at the end. Once again remember that square numbers can only have even number of zeros at the end. Next come to that property number 5. Look at here 30, 5000, then here 7000 are not a perfect square number because a number ending in an odd number of zeros here. Here how many zeros are here? 1 0. Here how many zeros? 3 zeros. Here how many zeros are here? 5 zeros are here. So it is not a perfect square number because it ends with odd number of zeros. Odd number 1, 3, 5, odd number of 0. So never be a perfect square number. Then come to that next property here. Property number 6. 2 square 4. 4 square 16. 6 square 36. 8 square 64. Like that here. All these are the 2, 4, 6, 8. All these are the even numbers, and then square also will be a even number. Square of even natural number is always even. 2, 4, 6, 8. All these are the even number. Then their squares also 4, 16, 36 and 64. 64 is also a even number. Now look at here down. 1, 3, 5 and 7, all these are the odd numbers and their square. 1 square 9, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. Here 1, 9, 25 and 49, all these are the odd numbers, odd natural number. So here we can conclude that also square of odd natural number is always odd. Next, come to the next property. Property number 7. When you are dividing, you divide in your copy itself, children, and you observe here 9 divided by 3. When you are doing quotient, you are getting that 3 and remainder is 0. Then when 16 divided by 3, any perfect square number 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, any perfect square number, if you are dividing by 3, then the remainder always comes either 0 or 1. So when a perfect square number is divided by 3, leaves remainder 0 or 1. Next, property number 8. For any natural number n, n plus 1 whole square minus n square equal to n plus 1 plus l. Children, here may be difficult for you this here. I have taken that some examples. You can here understand. If I am taking that one number, that 7 plus 1 equal to 8 square, n plus 1 square, 7 plus 1, 8 square minus 7 I had taken 7 square equal to, we can do that here, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That means 8 plus 7 into 8 minus 7. We would get that answer also 15. But we can do here directly. The consecutive numbers are here 8, 7. 7 and 8. 8 minus 7. So 8 square minus 7 square. If this format number is there, then we can do that 8 plus 7 equal to 15. Like that. 15 then 14. 14, 15. 15 square minus 14 square. Instead of doing that a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b formula, we can do also directly get that answer, that 15 plus 14 equal to 29. Like that here 34, 35, 35 and 34. 35 square minus 30 square equal to 35 plus 34 equal to 69. And the same answer you can get also by using the formula a square minus b square. So instead of doing that way, we can do that shortcut way, like this way can be done also. Next, come to that adding odd natural numbers. First, sum of first n odd natural numbers equal to n square. Example I have taken that 1 and 3. First two odd numbers. These are the first two odd numbers. So 1, 2. That means I can write also n square means 2 square equal to 4. Here how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So I can write also 3 square equal to 9. Like that you have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How many odd numbers are here? 5 odd numbers are here. So 5 square equal to 25. Sum of first 5 odd natural numbers. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. How many odd natural numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 square equal to 100. So sum of first 10 odd natural numbers equal to 100. Next, children, come to learn that Pythagorean triplet. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 9 plus 16. 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16 equal to 25, and 25 can be that square of that 5 square. Therefore, we can say that FORE children I have left here. So 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. The collection of numbers 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Like that, another example can be taken here. 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square it is 36, 8 square it is 64. Equal to 36 plus 64 equal to 100, and its square equal to 10 square. That means 6 square plus 8 square equal to, I can write directly 10 square. Therefore 6, 8 and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. But children, here it is very important that you have to remember, which is not in your book. I have given here. So you have to remember the formula, that now we can say that three natural numbers, if m, n and p are said to form a Pythagorean triplet, then m and p will be a Pythagorean triplet, then m square plus n square equal to p square. It must be there, that according to the formula that previous one I showed you that here. That means 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. Like that, m square plus n square equal to p square must be there. M square plus n square equal to p square. So here what if m is 3, if m and n and p are the three natural numbers, then Pythagorean triplet can be formed in this way: m and p if m square plus n square equal to p square. For any natural number m is greater than 1, we have 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square equal to m square plus 1 whole square. So children, 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Children, write down in your copy that 10 times and remember that Pythagorean triplet that form it is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Like this 10 times you write down in your copy and remember this one, this part. I have given example here, that then you can understand that better way. Look at here. Question: write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 8. One number is given, that smallest number is 8. That means other two one we have to find out. So given number is 8. We know that we can find the Pythagorean triplet by using the formula I have told you to learn: 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So let us first assume that given number is 8, m square minus 1 equal to 8, implies that m square equal to 8, then minus 1 coming this side means it is plus 1, then m square equal to 8 plus 1 equal to 9, then m equal to root over of 9. That means implies that m equal to 3. Now if we are going to put that 2m, our format is that 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. That format we have to bring. 2m equal to 2 into m value, we got that 3 equal to 6. Now m square minus 1 value already we have got, that is 8 we have taken. Now m square plus 1 equal to 3 square, m value 3 square plus 1, 3 square equal to 9 plus then 1 equal to 10. So we got that now 8, 6, 10. The triplet is that 6, 8, 10. But our question is given here that smallest number is 8. But 8 is not the smallest number of this triplet. But this triplet is a Pythagorean triplet. 6, 8 and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. But question is given that smallest number is 8. So instead of m square minus 1, there are three forms are there, that I had taken that first one, m square minus 1 equal to 8. But I can take now that 2m equal to 8. I have taken here, look at here, 2m equal to 8. Implies that m equal to 8 divided by 2, because 2 coming this side means it will be dividing. Imply that m equal to 4. Now m value got 4. So m square minus 1 equal to m value 4, 4 square minus 1 equal to 16 minus 1 equal to 15. And that last one, m square plus 1 equal to, that is 4 square plus 1, that means 16 plus 1 equal to 17. So first one 2m, we had taken that equal to 8. This is 2m. This is m square minus 1. This is m square plus 1. This one. Look at here once again. 2m equal to 8 we had considered. Then this is m square minus 1 value we got. Here 15. Then m square plus 1 value we got that 17. So this is the 8, 15 and 17 is a triplet with smallest number 8. This is the right answer. Next, come to that another example I have taken. Find a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 12. It is not given that smallest number. Any number will be, one number will be 12. So given number equal to 12. Let us assume m square minus 1 equal to, like that last time I have taken that m square minus 1, then 2m I had taken, m square minus equal to 12. Imply that m square equal to 12 minus 1 coming this time means it will be plus 1. Then m square equal to 13. Then m equal to, that means root over of 13 means cannot be a natural number. So that's why once again one more format, that is 2m we can take. So 2m equal to 12. M equal to 12 by 2. So m equal to 6, which is a natural number. So now m equal to 6. That means we have taken the 2m equal to 12. One format we have got. Then another one is that m square minus 1 equal to m value 6 square minus 1 equal to 36 minus 1. 6 square equal to 36 minus 1 equal to 36 minus 1 equal to 35 we got. Then another one format is that, three formats are there. M square plus 1, 6 square plus 1, that means 36 plus 1 equal to 37. So therefore the required triplet is 12, 35 and 37 with one number, that is 12. As question is given that which one number is 12. So children, these two questions you include these two questions in your exercise 3C as question number 15 and 16. It is question up to there is 14 question, up to 14 are there. Then 15 and 16 number question you write down in your pen in your exercise. So children, homework for you, that exercise 3C. So thank you.